Hello everyone, welcome to Edupedia World Videos. Coming to the classification of hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons are classified into saturated hydrocarbons and unsaturated hydrocarbons. First we will discuss about saturated hydrocarbons. The hydrocarbons containing single carbon-carbon covalent bonds are called saturated hydrocarbons. In saturated hydrocarbons, each carbon atom is bonded to 4 hydrogen or carbon atoms, and all the carbon atoms use their full combining capacity by forming single covalent bonds with hydrogen or other carbon atoms. In the IUPAC system, the saturated hydrocarbons are known as alkane, and the simplest alkane is methane, and the other members of the series are ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane, and so on. The saturated hydrocarbons are further classified into straight chain hydrocarbons, branch chain hydrocarbons, and ring chain hydrocarbons. Straight chain hydrocarbons. In these hydrocarbons, the carbon atoms join to give a straight chain. For example, ethane. This is ethane. We know the chemical formula C2H6. Next example is propane. This is propane. Next example is butane. This is butane. Now, branch chain hydrocarbons. In these hydrocarbons, the carbon atoms join in such a way as to give at least one carbon atom in a branch. For example, 2-methyl propane. 2-methyl propane. This is 2-methyl propane. This is a methyl group. There are 2 methyl groups. One is this and the other is this. The next example is 2,2-dimethyl propane. 2,2-dimethyl propane. CH3, CH3, CH3 and CH3. This is 2,2-dimethyl propane. The third one is ring chain hydrocarbons. In these hydrocarbons, the carbon atoms join in such a way as to give a 3 or higher membered saturated closed rings. For example, cyclopentane. Cyclopentane. there will be 5 carbon atoms two hydrogen atoms on each carbon atom. This is cyclopentane. The another example is cyclohexane. This is cyclohexane. There will be 6 carbon atoms and 2 hydrogen atoms on each carbon atom. This is cyclohexane. Unsaturated hydrocarbons, which is the second classification of hydrocarbons. The hydrocarbons containing one or more double bonds between carbon atoms are called unsaturated hydrocarbons. The examples of unsaturated hydrocarbons containing a double bond are ethene, propene, etc. And the examples of unsaturated bonds containing a triple bond are ethine, propine, etc. Examples of hydrocarbons containing double bond. Double bonds. Examples are ethene, which is C2H4, propene, which is C3H6, and triple bonds. The examples are ethine, C2H2, propine, C3H4. So these are the examples of hydrocarbons having triple bond. The unsaturated hydrocarbons are more reactive than saturated hydrocarbons. Thank you for watching Atupedia World videos.